Oh, this is such a good question, Nathan. What is the hardest part of programming? So I can only speak to myself and what I see in the students that I work with. But I think what I've seen is the hardest part of programming is getting comfortable in the face of uncertainty. Okay, I know this is like totally meta, like, what? Like this has nothing to do with coding. But think of it, when you hit a bug, we don't know the answer. That's why there's a bug, right? So we hit this bug and we don't know the answer. Where's it going? Where is it going? And so we have to figure it out. And if you're not comfortable with not knowing, that is a very stressful situation. That used to be me all the time. How did I solve it? I got comfortable and confident in my process, right? So that's the solution. So the symptom is, okay, the challenging part of programming is being comfortable with the unknown and not knowing everything, right? That's also like, these are all kind of related. And then the solution is having a process that's tried and true, and you do it as many times as you need to until you have confidence in it, and you see that it never changes, right? Until you see that, oh my goodness, I'm following the same process over and over again, every single time. It doesn't change. It will always work. And then you have confidence. And that's when you become a super coder who's, fearless and not afraid. That was the aha moment I got in graduate school, because I spent hundreds of thousands of dollars trying to pay other people to teach me how to code, and eventually just had to do it myself. That's what it was. And once you have that shift, total game changer, right? You still need to have the technical knowledge, right? There is some base level of knowledge, but once you get beyond the basics, like once you get beyond the alphabet, there's a process. And you just have to learn how to follow it for yourself. So getting that process down, trusting that process, not doubting yourself, even when it's still not working, right? That I would say that mental game is probably the hardest part of the programming that I see.